Hello and welcome to this video. I'll be explaining the structure, styling and interactivity of the website I created called DailyDose. This is a daily entertainment platform that features various sections like read a thought, know a random fact and enjoy a joke. I'll walk you through the HTML, CSS and JavaScript of the main page and the pages linked under the entertainment section. Let's start with the HTML. The basic structure of the page is built using HTML elements which make the code cleaner and more accessible. First, the head tag. Inside the head tag, I have first given the website title, that is DailyDose. Then I have linked two CSS files. The first one is the main styling CSS file that is used for the navigation and the flex box and everything. The next one is for the color separately. This CSS file is actually extracted from a SAS file. Then the next link is for the logos which I have used under the contact us section. Now coming to the header. The header contains a fixed navigation bar with a logo, a title and a navigation menu. It also features a drop-down menu activated by an icon on the right side. This allows users to easily navigate on the website. So here is the heading of the website, that is DailyDose. This is the slogan or the tagline of the website, that is daily entertainment. Here is the logo of the website. Then under the nav tag, we have two div tags, one for the dashboard widget, that is using the hamburger menu or the hamburger icon. I have given the drop down menu where the users can access to the home page, the about page, the entertainment section and the contact us section. After that, there is a sign in or a sign up option. Now coming to the main section. This featured section holds 4 different sections, that is home, about, entertainments and contact us. Each section has a unique class and ID that allows styling and interactivity. So first is the home section, where inside a div we have given this welcome to DailyDose as the heading and then 2 paragraphs to motivate the users to use the website. Then there is a about section where it tells about the website. Next comes the list of the entertainments, that is the entertainment section, where there are 3 more links or 3 more external pages where the users can read a thought, know a random fact or enjoy a random joke. Coming to the contact us section, here the users can contact the website owners through 2 different methods, that is, first one, they have an option to send message using their full name and email, and they can type their message and click on the submit button, or else we have provided our email address, phone number and Facebook, Instagram, Twitter IDs on the platform. And these icons are retrieved using this link. Now coming to the footer, The footer contains important message of the copyright. It's aligned on the bottom and has a dark background for contrast. Then we have linked this JS file and then closed all the necessary tags. Now let's talk about the CSS which we have used. I have used responsive design techniques to ensure the website works well on mobile, tablet and desktop. This includes using flexbox and grid layouts for different sections. First, the global styles. I defined consistent color scheme, typography and spacing to make sure everything looks visually cohesive. For example, the navigation link have a font size of large by default, and when the page shrinks, they adjust to a smaller size. Here the typography is used for the H1 to H6 and the button. The font family is imported as Leta 1. And for the paragraphs and the navigation, we have used the font family Lato sans serif. The general reset is given. Now for the fixed header. Header and navigation styles. The header has a fixed position which stays at the top of the page as users scroll down. I have used Flexbox to align the logo, title and navigation links in the header. Then I have used different background images for each sections, that is for home, about us, entertainment and contact us. Then all the necessary padding, border radius, everything is given so that it looks visually appealing. Here the border radius is given. Here the border radius is given to ensure the corners are square of the background in this entertainment section. Now coming to the media queries. Media queries for responsiveness. For mobile and tablet views, I added media queries to adjust the layout, font sizes and padding. This ensures that the site looks good on all the devices. The min width for tablet is 720 pixel and max width is 1023 pixel. The logo, the font size, everything is reduced. The width is also reduced. I've used a different background image in tablet and mobile phones for all the other sections. Now in the mobile phone, the max width is 719 pixel. We have used an image folder for saving all our images so that we can access it easily. Coming to the SAS file, I have given all the colors which I have added in my color scheme of the website. Only these colors are repeated in my website. So all the colors which are required is given in this SAS file, and then I have imported it as CSS file. So this was the color CSS which we discussed in the HTML before. Now let's talk about the JavaScript. I have used this JavaScript for mainly two purposes, that is to make the header fixed and whenever the user scrolls down, the header shrinks and the logo, font sizes, everything gets smaller. Also, the next one is to make the drop down icon. That is, as we told in the HTML, we have used a hamburger icon for the drop down menu. When we click on that icon, the 4 sections should be seen and the user should be able to access those sections. So for these two, I have used the JavaScript. The header shrinking on scroll, I use the scroll event to detect when the user scrolls down. When the scroll position exceeds a certain threshold, the header shrinks by reducing padding, font sizes and logo size. Here I have mentioned all the default and shrink styles. Now about the drop-down menu. The drop-down menu in the header is toggled using JavaScript. When the user clicks on the drop-down icon, the menu either opens or closes. I also implemented logic to close, close the drop-down when the user clicks outside of it or scrolls the page. Now these are all the external pages which I have added under the entertainment section. The first one is daily fact, daily joke and daily thought. Now here all the pages have the same styling. Here we have the header, where as I told, only the logo and the title tagline will be shown. No navigation or sign up sign in option will be there. Here the thought will be shown. This is a paragraph for the thought, and once the user clicks on the button, the new thought will be shown. Same with joke and fact. The joke will be loaded once the user accesses the page, and when they click on the button, they will get a new joke. I have done this using different APIs in the JavaScript. This is the API which I used for random fact, the API which I used for fetching the random joke, the API which I used for different thoughts or daily thoughts. As I told, each of these pages follow the same design principles as the main page, with responsive layouts and dynamic content loaded through JavaScript. That's a quick overview of how I structured the HTML, styled the website using CSS and made it interactive with JavaScript. I have used the best practices for responsiveness and user experience, ensuring that the website looks great and functions smoothly on all the devices. I hope this explanation helps you understand how these technologies work together to build an engaging and functional website. Thank you for watching and feel free to ask any question in the comments below.